Parents often notice their child's breathing at night and worry it looks too fast. Babies and young children naturally breathe faster than adults. For newborns, up to about 60 breaths per minute can be normal, and for toddlers and older kids, usually 20 to 30. Normal breathing should be steady, with quiet breaths and no extra effort. What's not normal? Labored breathing, noisy wheezing, chest pulling in with each breath, bluish lips, or if your child is struggling to catch their breath. If you see these signs, or if fast breathing continues when your child is awake, call your pediatrician right away, or seek emergency care if severe. Follow for more pediatric tips. Knowing what's normal can give you peace of mind.